Alright, so what I've got here is got some leftover mashed potato. Also what I have got is I've got some grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Alright, we're just going to add this into here. It's that simple. What I've got about 1 cup of mozzarella and half a cup of cheddar. Also what else I've got is I've got salt and pepper. I'm just going to add that in there as well. And all I'm going to do is mix it together. It's that simple. Okay, the cheese and the seasoning is mixed together. And what it does, it makes it quite firm. Alright, so with clean hands, what I do is I make them into little balls. Maybe about that big. A little bit smaller than a golf ball. And what I do is I just press them down like that. Alright, now we're done, and what we need to do is we're going to crumb them. Alright, so let's set up the crumbing station. Okay, got my crumbing station set up. What I've got in here is I've got 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and a little bit of milk. Store-bought breadcrumbs, however you can make your own. And I've got some flour here, just all-purpose flour, and I'll also put a little bit of paprika and salt and pepper in there as well. So the idea of the crumbing is 1 hand wet, 1 hand dry. Alright? So that we don't end up getting all these lumps in the breadcrumb. Alright, so here we go. First of all, in the flour. Then the egg wash. Then the breadcrumbs. That's where my dry hand comes in. Just like that. That's simple. It looks easy, doesn't it? Just because it is. Alright, let's get them all done. Alright, there we go, we're done. Let's get cleaned up and let's start cooking these potato and mozzarella bombs. Okay, oil's on, it's hot enough. Let's start shallow frying the potato mozzarella bombs. Very carefully, put them into the oil. I'm using my fantastic Circulon frying pan because these are absolutely fantastic. So just be really careful when you put these in. You might want to use tongs. And don't crowd the pan too much. This size pan, 6 will be enough. Absolutely awesome. They do so well in the restaurant. Just about every restaurant I worked at or hotel, I'll put them on the menu as a snack. Okay, so let's have a look. These things are beautiful. Beautiful. Mozzarella. Look at that. Yep, they are so good. Something you can do at home. So easy and a great way of using up leftover mashed potato. Or you can just make some mash just to make these. Crumbing them, easy. they are such a crowd favourite that everyone will love you for them. Okay, so everyone wants to eat, well, they want a snack, and so they're looking at me going, hurry up. Alright, so this is Creative Chef Shannon from Cooking and Golf, and I'm out.